What if stealth jets were known for their thunderous roar? Here it is, the Su-57 Felon, a Russian stealth fighter jet that's not only invisible, but also deadly sounding. The Su-57 Felon is Russia's answer to the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. But there's one thing that really makes this jet steal the world's attention. Its sound. It's no joke. The roar of its Saturn Izdeliye 30 engines is like thunder from the heavens. With afterburners running, the Felon can be heard from miles away, and that's not a weakness. It's a warning signal to anyone who dares to engage it. In simulated combat exercises, many analysts have noted that the Su-57's engine noise can create acoustic vibrations that disrupt enemy communications systems. Is this by design or a side effect? It could be both. Russia knows that silence isn't the only way to instill fear. Sometimes, sound itself can be a psychological weapon. The F-22 certainly excels in stealth and sense of fusion, but the Su-57 offers a unique combination: speed, superior maneuverability, and acoustic power. In the skies, who is truly terrifying, the invisible or the apocalypse-like sound? The sound of stealth. The Su-57 Felon. Is the world ready to hear it?